Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today I will describe the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. The artificial intelligence today we all know that it is about to build such as interactive computer machines that can respond intelligently and actively based on their own decisions in any circumstances. To create such computers, to create such machines, to create such robots that can perform the same tasks as in critical conditions the human beings or the intelligent human being perform. And what is the machine learning? Machine learning is basically the subset of artificial intelligence, and machine learning is that we create such an active algorithm. Okay, when there is a new condition arises, then machines and that algorithm take their own decisions based on the given algorithm. Now come to the proper definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machine. जिसकी डेफिनेशन है कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की है कि साइंस एप्लीकेशन ऑफ साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग है टू मेकिंग इंटेलिजेंट machines. And artificial intelligence perform tasks that require human intelligence such as thinking, reasoning, learning from experience and making on decisions. यानी वो जो टास्क जो ह्यूमन करते हैं, जो थिंक, रीजनिंग, लर्निंग फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस एंड मेकिंग ऑन डिसीजंस, artificial intelligence that involves all these tasks. There are hundreds of thousands of examples today artificial intelligence are using in the practical life, but now I will discuss only few examples. First, robots. Second, military drones. Third, personal assistants. Robots. What is robots? An industrial robot is an example of artificial intelligence. Now we see that hundreds and thousands of business companies and defense companies are using robots for different purposes, and robots perform these tasks actively and efficiently in precise time. Second, military drones. Military drones are good and big example of artificial intelligence. Today we see that the military drones that are performing a variety of tasks. That they are destroying the areas of enemies, and they are destroying the assets of enemy, and so we can say that taking their own decisions. So military drones are the best example of artificial intelligence. Third thing is the personal assistant. Personal assistant tools are human artificial intelligence interaction gadgets. Personal assistant, many companies softwares are providing personal assistant tool. For example, the most popular Google Home. Google Home, this is the personal assistant tool provided by Google software. Similarly, Alexa by Amazon and Cortana by Microsoft. These tools are the personal assistant tools, and generally personal assistant tools, they enable user to find out information, booking hotels, and add event to calendar, answer questions, schedule meeting, send email message. Similarly कि अगर वो मैसेज बॉक्स फिल हो जाए तो ये उसको जो ऐसे मैसेज है जो स्पैम है, लार्ज मैसेज है, उसको डिलीट करना. All these things are done by the personal assistants based on artificial intelligent algorithm. So I summarize that artificial intelligence, the big examples are industrial robots that are carrying out thousands of tasks, including business tasks, military tasks. Similarly, military drones and other business purpose drones. Amazon is also using the drones for their delivering purpose, for the delivering of products to the customer. And similarly, the personal assistant tools are used by different software companies. They are also available for the customers to use the personal assistant tools for perform the daily routine tasks actively by using artificial intelligence. All these things are based on artificial intelligence active algorithms. Now come to the machine learning. Machine learning is the well-established branch of artificial intelligence that is already used in many industries to solve a variety of business problems. Machine learning business problems के लिए already use हो रही है. And what is the true definition of machine learning? The approach consists of training an algorithm with large data sets to enable the model to identify different patterns and eventually calculate the best answer. कि जब भी एक लार्ज डाटा सेट ऑफ एल्गोरिदम्स होते हैं उसमें से मशीन्स को उस तरह ट्रेन कर दी जाए कि किसी भी सिनारो में वो बेस्ट आंसर को, बेस्ट एल्गोरिदम को, बेस्ट केस को वो खुद सेलेक्ट करे और उसको परफॉर्म करे. Machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence. Again, we see that this approach consists of training an algorithm with large data sets to enable the model to identify different patterns and eventually calculate the best answer based on the given algorithm. All these tasks are performed by the machine learning, and machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence. There are different examples where machine learning are applied by different organizations. Now come to the few examples. First, product recommendation. Most e-commerce websites have machine learning tools that provide recommendation of different products based on historical data. For example, if you search for machine learning books on Amazon and then you buy one of them, अगर आप Amazon की machine learning books सर्च करते हैं और उसको उसमें से आप एक परचेज भी कर लेते हैं, if you come back again after a certain period of time, और कुछ टाइम बाद दोबारा आप वापस आते हैं, the home page of Amazon, जो Amazon का जो home page है, it will show you a list of books related to machine learning. कि आप Amazon से एक मशीन लर्निंग की बुक परचेज करते हैं और आप कुछ अर्से बाद जब आप दोबारा अपने होम पेज पे Amazon होम पेज पर आते हैं तो होम पेज Amazon इट विल शो यू अ लिस्ट ऑफ बुक रिलेटेड टू मशीन लर्निंग. तो इसके बिहाइंड जो एल्गोरिदम काम कर रहा है वो मशीन लर्निंग का, वो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है. इट आल्सो मेक रिकमेंडेशन बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट यू हैव लिस्टेड एडेड टू योर कार्ट एक्सेट्रा. सो दीज two are the things that are using in artificial intelligence. Everything that are related to the machine learning is also artificial intelligence. But it is not necessary that everything that is related to artificial intelligence, it is not necessary it is based on machine learning. Artificial intelligence have the broad scope and machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence. Any question or queries regarding this topic you may ask through WhatsApp or Messenger. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.